Today we're going to have a smashing party and we're going to have freshly baked bread, pastéis de bacalhau as a starter, soup, and the star of this meal is FAVAS com chouriço, which is the translation for fava beans with a turkey sausage, because I don't eat pork, so I only use turkey sausage. Enjoy the recipe. And these are the ingredients, and I will add something else later. Oh, by the way, chouriço is a sausage in Portuguese. Thank you so much for being here. It's so important for the channel. I'm going to add my pan here. First, bay leaves, a little bit of bay leaves there, and then I'm going to add the onions. There we go. And then the garlic. Very simple meal, very tasty and very beautiful. People make it with the sausage, but I don't eat pork, so sausage with turkey. This is turkey sausage. Our bread is in the oven. Pastéis de bacalhau are frying. Soup is nearly boiling. And now I'm making the fava beans. Garlic. A lot of olive oil. And up to the stove. It doesn't have to be very thin. Pastrami as well. So here I decided to add a little bit of pastrami because I think it gives an extra flavor, and in Portugal probably they will use a little bit of bacon. Time to saute the onions until they get transparent. Cover with the hot water. So the fava beans are tender. You allow them to cook for 30 minutes. When the stew starts to boil, you add the chouriço and pastrami so all flavors are blending perfectly. End of this. Amazing. Oh my God, so good. And like Chef Ramsay says, taste, taste, taste. Fabuloso. And if I wouldn't taste, I wouldn't notice that there was no salt at all. Add your salt to taste. Rectify seasoning.
Olha, vamos lá, o que achas?
Pai, está fenomenal, meu Deus.
Agora, queres um ovinho escalfado?
Isso chega e sobra, Gabriela. Eu não quero mais nada. Tem
Mas não queres
tanta
experimentar
comida.
o ovo descalfado aqui?
Não, assim está bem que chegue. Muito bem.
Elas precisam, não sei, olha lá. Ora, provemos, irmãos.
Provemos.
Some people like it with a poached egg, and I do, so I'm going to add it. Do you know about the cherry on top of the cake? Well, this is my poached egg on top of my fava beans. Now it's that time that you serve with love. And now, bon appetit! Acho eu. Queria fazer aqui. São do Avelã.